Birds are the creatures that truly dominate the sky. An amazing ability to fly and move with flexibility. However, among them, there are some special birds that stand out with their unique way of catching and devouring their prey. The black-backed gull is the largest of the seagulls. So large that it can swallow a rabbit whole. This is quite surprising to our viewers. Fascinating, but rather gruesome. We often think that crocodiles specialize in eating other animals, not being eaten. However, nature ceases to amaze us. Wildlife photographer Shelley Gilman has captured a rare sight in the Lake Apaca. This is in Florida. The scene is of a blue heron devouring an alligator. The black-backed gulls are known for their merciless eating habits. When they enter the residential area, they do not hesitate to catch other birds. The tiny pigeon has moved by the lake, now becoming a sure target. The black-backed gull catches the dove, pushing it into the water and succeeding in eating. The seagull, with his mighty appearance, has swooped down to the lake, attacking and isolating one of the mallards. Everything seems to be easy, but this mallard suddenly counterattacks with his amazing swimming talent. This is a merciless fight in succession, causing the predator to become defeated. The seagull has lost control, pushed over and choking on the water. Lonely and now losing, it is an expensive lesson for this ill-fated prey, as the hunter now becomes the hunted. The golden eagle has targeted the fox. Despite facing a notorious predator, the adult fox refuses to succumb to this amazing predator. Even when the hunter comes to the ground, the fox tries to use his legs to protect himself, protesting fiercely. It is a battle of death, and the snow fox has defeated. The eagle has spotted a deer. Hovering overhead, observing the situation, the eagle quickly lands on the ground and uses his sharp talons to dig into the body of his prey. As the deer dies, the eagle uses his powerful beak to tear into the carcass. It is an amazing sight in the natural world, one that takes strength and ingenuity. A careless fox, catching the attention of the eagle. With a subtle move, he quickly swoops in, grabbing the fox by its head. Swooping in, eagles are one of the most majestic and fierce animals of the sky. Today's lunch is the salmon. A bustling dog has approached the bird. This is a wrong maneuver, constantly harassing and barking at it. The falcon is focused on eating, not wanting to disturb his mate. In anger, the falcon continues to go back to his meal. This is a time of treachery. At the right moment, the falcon swoops into the flat lake, ready to catch the fish. The footage shows the slowward down motion, each delicate move in precision. A large pirate bird is attacking the flock of penguins. Hiding under the shadow of their mother, they hope to be safe. Mother penguins are solitary animals. They will shield their chicks from all predators nearby. Today she must face the predator to protect her young. Very quickly, the bird moves in, trying to steal the young from the mother penguin. The bird is fighting with the father penguin, who is incubating the eggs. Ignoring the attacks from the father penguin, the pirate bird quickly goes in for the nest, hoping to steal a delicious egg. Finally, it escapes unscratched. They're attacking the young bird. The penguin remains helpless between the two seagulls. Both ferocious enemies looking to take the meat of the baby penguin. It is a cruel scene. The gray heron has grabbed the rabbit with his large beak. Tremendous power of the heron allows it to peck at the rabbit innocently. From here, he begins to devour, swallowing the rabbit piece by piece, straight into the throat of the gray heron. The great blue heron catches the fish, ready to devour it in the wetlands. This event takes place on the April of 27th, 2013. The young water bird, suddenly grabbed by a heron, tries his best to escape. In the moment, the heron is defeated, killed by his prey, cramped down in an impossible situation to move. When ready, the bird will begin to devour his prey quickly, making sure he does not lose the fruit of his meal. This was a fantastic catch for another day. The gray heron goes in for a meal, capturing. It moves with flexibility, just enough to attack and swallow his prey. Caught with a fish half in and half out of the water. This bird will surely devour the meal in a matter of seconds. Taking it ashore, he is ready to begin swallowing. If you enjoyed this video, give the Ddix a like and let them know what you think. Check out our other videos and subscribe to the channel to become a more familiar audience member. Click the notification icon so you can watch our videos as soon as they're posted. See you in the next video.